Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the December Ipsy standard GlamBag. Some of them are actually choice items, so I'm going to name off the choice items first. And then I'll tell you when the choice items are over, that way you know which ones are which. But they're all spoilers, y'all. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the funniest and most relatable makeup fails. Congratulations, Summer Breeze Young. Summer says, hi beauty, how are you? Oh, thanks so much for asking, Summer. I'm feeling much better, honey. I'm feeling good, and I really appreciate you asking. And thank you so much, so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. You know, y'all don't have to waste your time watching my videos, and y'all still do. I love y'all so much for that. And Summer, I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into this. Now again, these first items I'm going to be showing you are also choice items. Not only are they spoilers, they're choice items. And I'll tell you when I'm done with the choice items. First up is the Complex Culture All Over Highlight and Powder Brush. Next is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in the shade Bryn. Next up is Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Next up is Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Smooth Hair Oil. Next is Benefit, the Professional Pearl Primer. And then the Benefit, the Professional Face Primer. Then next up is the Skin Regimen Night Detox. Next up is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Kisses. Next up is the Belle and Argent. Now, y'all, I can't pronounce this. I can't pronounce half of what I say anyways. Altir Lip Cream Color and Click Your Heels. Next up is Beauty for Real Lip Gloss and Shine in the shade Starlust. Next is another Tarte Amazonian 12-Hour Blush in Shimmer and Shake. Next up is Tarte. Now this is the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer, and it's in the shade Park Avenue Princess. Now next is the Sealess Skin Black Gold Supreme Coffee Scrub, and that was it for the choice items. So those are not only spoilers, but those are your choice items, so you get to choose in between those. So all you got to do is go onto your account to pick out which of those items that you want. Now I'm going to name off the rest of the spoilers, which we've already seen these, but I'm still naming them off. The first thing is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party Dress. Next is Suave Beauty Eyeshadow in the shade Empire State. And then Purely's Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30 in the shade Light Medium. Pretty sure there's going to be more shade variations to that, y'all. And that is it for now. And of course, as soon as I reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you guys updated. Now let's read the comment that I picked on my last video. Congratulations, Janice Homer. Janice says, hi, Mandy from Kentucky. Well, dang, Janice, you ain't far from me, honey. I'm right here in Ohio. Thank goodness you found my video, and welcome to the family, honey. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, another thing, before I end this video, for those of you who don't know, I also make videos where I film, myself in them. I don't get as many views on those as I do these spoiler videos. So I don't know if some of y'all don't know that I do those other videos or what, but if y'all would, go give them a watch, y'all. They're pretty funny. I do some pretty good videos. And also, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel, because YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch every single one of my videos, y'all. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.